Hey guys, I'm going to finish working these problems out on the worksheet real quick, and then I got to go to class myself. Okay? So, again, we're trying to solve for A. Okay? So, A's up here. I like the rule of thumb. I want to get rid of the K in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by K. These K's will cancel. Bring down your leftovers. Okay? Remember, letters next to each other means they're being multiplied. We need to get rid of this B, so the opposite of multiplication is division. So divide by B. Put a little dot there to multiply. Same thing here, it's being multiplied. What you do to one side, you do the other. So those cancel. So now your answer should be K times U equals B. Okay? So as you can see, these were the other answers. This was Z divided by 2 plus 1 equals A. This one for number 6 was A. No, it wasn't that. It was right here. A equals M divided by NP. And then 7 was one of these two answers. Remember, you can see it like this or you can write it like that, all divided by C. So let's try out the rest of these problems real quick. So again, pause the video, try to work it out yourself, and then hit play to see if you get the same thing I do. Alright, so I'm going to start this one. We're solving for x. Notice where x is. We need x to be by itself. Well, here's k. K is being added, so I'm just going to subtract it. Okay? So those k's will cancel. Bring down the x. None of this is like terms, so I'm just going to bring it all down. W minus V minus K. That one's done. Okay? Again, 10. Pause the video, hit play. When you get done, check your work. So, we're back. We have a negative x. We need to get x by itself. So, I'm going to subtract c from both sides. Okay? I'm even going so much as to say I'm going to subtract y. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. So essentially, I'm killing two birds with one stone. Okay? C's cancel, the y's cancel. I'm going to bring down the negative x. None of this left side is like terms. So, g minus y minus c. Now we have a negative x here. That's almost like saying you have a negative 1 right here. Okay? So I'm going to divide by negative 1. Everything divided by negative 1. Okay, so that negative 1 cancels on the x. I'm going to write it over here to give me some space. So g divided by negative 1 is going to be a negative g. A negative and negative make a positive, so positive y. Negative and negative make another positive, so positive c. And there's my answer. Negative g plus y plus c equals x. Try to make room for that k. I'll move it down here when I work on it. So for number 11, solve for b. Okay. So let's see here. Let's get rid of the b first. So plus b. Draw your line. B's cancel. Bring down the am. Equals. These are not like terms, so keep them separate. There we go. They're being multiplied, so we divide to get rid of the m. We want a by itself. What you do to one side, you do the other. So z plus b all divided by m. That's a plus. Okay, z plus b all divided by m. 12, I'm going to write off to the side here because the other problem's kind of all over it. We're trying to get a by itself. Remember my trick? I was going to divide by 1 and then cross multiply. So, a times w times v is just going to be a w v and then K times 1 is just K. I'm trying to get A by itself, so I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm going to take care of the W and the V, and what you do to one side, you do the other. Okay? Those do cancel. We have A equals K, W, V. Again, ignore the smart notebook junk. Alright, 13. I think these are the last ones. Don't know where those came from. Wait, are these even part of the problems? What did I do? Add them twice? I think these are the same problems. I hope they are. So, solving for A. Guys, it's already set up for you to cross multiply, so just go ahead and do it. A times W is AW. K times V is KV. Okay? We're solving for A, so just divide by W from both sides. A equals KV over W. 14. Again, we're solving for A. Okay, so we need to get rid of the B and the M. And look, I'm just going to kill two birds with one stone again. Subtract the B. What you do to one side, you do the other. Add the M. And we leave A alone. So the B's cancel, the M's cancel. So we're going to have Z minus B plus M. And that's it. All done. And the last one down here, X. Same thing. I'm just going to kill two birds with one stone. I'm going to add K and subtract Y. What you do to one side, you do the other. So we're going to get X. That's going to be U plus K minus Y. Put a little equal sign there. And that's the answer you should get. Or something close to it. Let's see. How long is this video? Let's go for 10 minutes. I'm going to back up to some old problems. I don't know if I did 5, 6, and 7. I'll do these, and I'm going to call it quits. So, to convert degrees Celsius to Kelvin, the formula is K equals C plus 273.15 is used. Solve this formula for C. Okay? Well, we're adding 273.15 to this side. We want C by itself, so do the opposite. And what you do to one side, you do the other. Okay? Those cancel. C will be by itself. And we just got to list this off. This is not like terms, so keep them separate. K minus 273.15. That's it. Job done. The next one is the circumference formula, and they want us to solve for R. I'm going to try to do it off to the side here. 2 pi R. All of these are being multiplied. We want R by itself. So get rid of what you don't need, which is the 2 pi. 2's cancel, pi's cancel. You get C divided by 2 pi. Boom, that's it. Job done. And the volume problem. Calculate the volume of the prism. Solve the formula for W. Again, everything's being multiplied, so divide by what you don't need. L's cancel, H's cancel. W should equal V, L, H. Alright. I didn't want to make this video too long. We're at 10 minutes, so I'm going to call it quits. Y'all have a good night.